Well, look who's back. Did you maniacs around the world miss me? After a whirlwind of travel, I just touched down in Berlin, Germany. So I've been up for over 24 hours. I feel like a zombie right now. My connection in Amsterdam got canceled because of Storm Pia. A 2-hour layover turned into a 9-hour layover. So I'm like a freaking zombie here. We're gonna try to catch the Airport Express train into the city center of Berlin and then try to get from the train station to my hotel. Wish me luck. Alright, there's the DB train line. DB train going down. So, I think I gotta find a ticket machine to buy a ticket for the Airport Express train. That's the one I'm looking for right there. Okay, ticket machine's over here. Alright, I see the ticket machines. Alright, here we go. Single ticket. What the heck? Other tickets and destinations. Alright, I'm not having much luck with that one. Let's try this one over here. English. Oh, hey, there we go. Please change or pay for the ticket displayed. Single ticket. Alright, we're going to keep trying this till I figure this out. Single ticket. €4. Alright, we got our ticket. We validated our ticket. The Airport Express train should be here in about 10 minutes or a little bit less. So now we just wait. Having been awake over 24 hours, I think my eyes are bloodshot red and my speech sounds kind of messed up.
Kannst du ein bisschen quatschen? Guck mal, hier sind die Chips. Hier sind die Bücher.
Unfortunately, nothing to see because it's nighttime. A few random lights here and there. Other trains. No view to speak of. Alright, we made it to Berlin Central Station. Now I gotta figure out a way to get to my hotel. Normally I'd either walk or take the local bus or train, but I'm gonna probably Uber or taxi it because I'm dead tired right now. I'm trying to figure out how to get out of here. There's the 2 level of the Airport Express train. I was on the upper level. It's kind of cool. To all the maniacs around the world, have you been in Germany before? Have you been in Berlin before? Throw a comment. Let me know if you have. What should I do here? It's Christmas in Berlin. Any taxi here?
Yes. Taxi is there.
What's that?
Taxi is there.
The first one?
I am taxi. Taxi, my friend.
Pick a taxi, any taxi?
This taxi.
All right, I'm going to the Hilton. Hilton? How's it going? How you doing? I just came from Amsterdam. They canceled my connecting flight and they rebooked me 8 hours later.
Today is very much train and flying. No,
Yeah, mostly flying, some train.
in traffic is not normal. All is stop. Very much city is closed.
Not so busy now. Not much traffic now.
No much traffic, but city closed.
Thanks. Have a good night. Thank you. All right, well, 8-9 hours later than expected, I'm finally at my hotel. Can't even speak properly. I'm slurring my words. Quick little room tour. Decent looking bed. Got a desk. Got a TV. There's no view to speak of. Not much. Oh. Bathroom looks decent. All right, well, stay tuned for more Germany once I get some sleep. That's a wrap.